Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. So one of my favorite outdoor activities is hiking, but I never want to carry anything. I want to be hands-free, but you also need to stay hydrated. So I found this awesome water bottle from H2O Capsule. I love this thing because it has a strap, plus you have little compartments to carry your necessary items like your phone, your keys, your ID. We were on vacation out west. We went to the Grand Canyon. We were on mountains, places where we didn't have access to water. So this was awesome. This also has a removable strainer and a removable straw. So it gives you the options to drink it two ways, directly from the spout or the straw. I prefer drinking from the spout and having the strainer in, but it does give you options so you have flexibility. So for me, this really made hiking convenient and I didn't ever have to worry about staying hydrated. It was a total game changer. And that's my point of view.